Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Heather Walton here. So I'm on my way to my boys' house and I'm gonna go clean their house because they're slobs. I love my kids. But yeah, so this is what I do in between jobs as a mural artist. This is what I do. And I go and I like to work out. I work out and I focus on my family, and yeah, that's it pretty much. And I like to shop. I'm a bad shopper. I'm addicted to shopping. Yeah, pretty bad. But yeah, so I'll let you know how it goes over here and how disgusting it is. So, all right, talk to y'all later. Hi. So I'm here at the boys' house, and I'm gonna go inside, and I'm gonna go clean their stinking, nasty, nasty house. Because, oh my God, it's nasty, y'all. I've never seen anything nastier. I don't even want to show y'all, it's so nasty. But, anyways, yeah, so they're teenage boys. My son's about to turn 21, so I guess he's not really a teenager anymore. But yeah, I know that they can clean their own house, but I love my kid, and I'll do just about anything for him. And you know what? They never stop being your little baby. We're here at the boys' house, about to enter the mess. The door's locked. It's getting on my nerves. I don't know why they lock it. Nobody wants to break in to this disaster. Nope, there's nothing in here that nobody wants. Believe me. Nothing. Here we go. What? Look at this wreck. Yeah, it's a wreck. Embarrassing. Hey everybody, it's me again. So I'm putting on my gloves here, and I am about to clean this place up because it's disgusting. All right, so where to start? Where to begin? Let's see, I'm going to put you right here. Right here. There we go. Watch my fat behind do this. You okay? What you crawling on the floor for? Huh? Oh. Hey, is that shed work? Does it work? Can I put stuff in it, store stuff in there? Okay. because I would like to put stuff in. I would like to store some stuff in there. Okay. Thank you. I mean, that's what sheds are for, right? It's never ending. The crap is never ending here. It just keeps accumulating.
Does it make you proud? Knowing that hurt me didn't hurt you that much. Well, did you lie right to my face, or did your mind just change? That spot you chose to hit was on my blind side, babe. And I go.
What's up, everybody? I'm cooling off, and if you want to see what I got done, and my product of cleaning the boys' house, it looks a lot better than what it did, right? Hold on. What? Look how clean it is. Oh, isn't it great? So much better. Completed.